Your Silverado does 5 things automatically, every single day. And you probably never noticed. These aren't hidden features, these aren't secret tricks. These are systems working in silence, protecting you, protecting the engine, protecting the transmission. I've talked to Silverado owners who've driven for years and didn't know. When I show them, they say, "My truck does that?" Subscribe now. Comment how many you didn't know. Today, you're going to discover 5 things your Silverado does for you, automatically, without you asking. Why did you never notice these 5 things? Because they work perfectly, silently. You don't see them, don't hear them, don't feel them, but they're there, working, every day. Some of these systems save your engine, others save your transmission, others save your life. And most owners have no idea they exist. Let's start with the one that surprises owners most. First automatic thing, intelligent idle control. Your Silverado adjusts idle RPM automatically, all the time. Why? Engine cold, idle goes up to 1200 RPM. Engine hot, idle drops to 650. Air conditioning turns on, idle goes up 100 RPM to compensate load. Alternator charging battery hard, idle goes up again. You never notice because it's smooth, gradual, but it's happening hundreds of times per day. Why does this matter? Prevents engine from stalling when you turn on AC. Keeps battery charged even with high electrical load. Protects engine from working too hard or too light. Real story. Owner asked me, "Why does my idle vary?" I explained, your Silverado is compensating for conditions. He was shocked, thought something was wrong. Nothing's wrong. It's intelligence. Thing 1, automatic variable idle, compensating for conditions constantly. Second automatic thing, transmission thermal protection. Your Silverado monitors transmission temperature always. If it gets too hot, system acts automatically. What happens? Transmission hot? Silverado reduces engine torque. You floor it, but response gets smoother. It's not failure, it's protection. System can also change shift patterns, holding lower gears. Why? Overheated transmission can destroy itself in minutes. System sacrifices performance for seconds to save transmission for years. When does this happen? Towing heavy up long grade, hot summer stop-and-go traffic, off-road and heavy sand. Most owners never notice because system prevents before it becomes a problem. Thing 2, transmission thermal protection, saving you from $8,000 rebuild. Third automatic thing, engine braking on descents. Your Silverado detects long downhills and acts. What does it do? Transmission holds lower gear automatically, even without you touching shifter. Uses engine compression to reduce speed. Why does this matter? Brakes on a long descent overheat, lose effectiveness. Engine braking keeps physical brakes cool, safe. Do you notice? Sometimes you feel transmission hold on descent. It's not failure, it's system protecting your brakes and protecting you from brake fade. Especially important, towing heavy trailer in the mountains, long descents with load, situations where brakes can fade. Most think transmission acting weird. Reality, Silverado is saving you. Thing 3, automatic engine braking, invisible safety. Fourth automatic thing, altitude compensation. Your Silverado adjusts air-fuel mixture based on altitude, automatically. How does it work? Sensors detect air pressure. High altitude, less oxygen. System reduces fuel proportionally, maintains perfect mixture. Why don't you notice? Because it works so well, engine runs the same from sea level to 10,000-foot mountains. What does this prevent? Too rich burns catalytic convert. Too lean loses power, causes knock. System maintains perfect balance. Back in the day, carburetors needed manual adjustment for altitude. Now, Silverado does it alone. Milliseconds. You drive Texas to Colorado, system adjusted thousands of times. You never noticed. Thing 4, automatic altitude compensation. Perfect performance at any elevation. Thing 5, intelligent vapor purge. Your Silverado manages fuel tank vapors automatically. What does this mean? Fuel tank generates vapors, always. System captures vapors, stores in a canister. When engine is in the right conditions, purges vapors to the engine. Engine burns vapors as extra fuel. Why automatically? Because system waits for ideal conditions. Engine cold, doesn't purge. Engine hot, steady speed, purges. All without you knowing. What does this do? Prevents vapors from polluting the atmosphere. Uses fuel that would be wasted. Keeps tank pressure correct. You never see it, never hear it, but it's working every time you drive. 5 things your Silverado does automatically. 1. Variable idle control. 2. Transmission thermal protection. 3. Engine braking on descents. 4. Altitude compensation. 5. Intelligent fuel vapor purge. All these systems working in silence, protecting you, protecting your truck. Most owners never notice, but now you know. How many did you not know? Comment didn't know, number, or knew all. Like this video, share it with Silverado owners. Subscribe for more Silverado things you didn't know. Tomorrow at 8 p.m., more hidden automatic features. Your Silverado is smarter than you think. See you tomorrow, Silverado family.